Hi, babies. Hi. Who's talking? Who's talking?
Yours the fat one, or is
Who's
this the fat girl?
talking?
Oh, this is the
Who's
fat girl, I think.
talking? Oh, they're so cute.
Nope, that's a boy.
Hi,
I know where the
guys.
fat girl is.
Hi, guys.
They're-
Look at your
they
little
even
faces.
out, I think.
Nobody
you
like
can't-
that
there's
nap.
no
Hi, Nolly. Nolly. Hi,
She
Nolly.
found
You're
the
so
spot,
pretty.
And they got out.
Aww.
They're still crawling. If they get up on their legs at all, they're
There's a
wobbling.
huge difference in just this couple of days.
Really, since we saw them, yeah. You can see more of the doggy in them.
Yeah.
Oh,
They don't
they're
look
so-
like little pigs at all anymore.
No, I can't believe how big they are.
That guy's gonna get squished back there.
So they're going to
Yeah.
be 2 weeks old Saturday, aren't they?
Oh, this way.
That's fat boy.
There's the fat boy.
Look at that. He's almost as fat as he is long.
Oh, yeah.
Aww. You might want to take that.